How to download crypto app and create new account. So if you want to download crypto app and create new account, then what you need to do is you can just open up your Play Store or your App Store, any store that you're comfortable with. You just need to simply search for crypto.com. Once you search for crypto.com, then you will have this kind of interface. So this is the application that you need to download. So just simply tap on download or install option. You will have the install option. In my country, it's not available, but if it's available in your region, then you just need to simply go and install the application. Once you install the application, then you will have the sign up page. So on the bottom of your screen, you will have sign up or login option. So if you want to create your account, then you just need to simply tap on sign up, and you need to verify by submitting your email. So enter your email address and you need to agree to the terms of conditions. And once you enter your email address and once you tap on continue, then it will send you a confirmation link to your email. So you just need to simply open up your email and check the confirmation link to continue. And once you verified your email address, then you can accept to the terms and conditions. And after that, you need to enter your mobile number, and it goes same with the mobile number also. So you need to enter your mobile number and you will receive the verification code to your mobile number. And after verifying your mobile number and your email address, follow with the preceding steps and you'll be able to create your account. So that's how you can download crypto app and create a new account. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.